How to change the color of Google Calendar events. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on this video I will guide you how you can change the color of an event on Google Calendar. So without further delay, let's get started. So here under my calendar, I have this event right here, which is in color blue currently. Now to change the color of this event, click on this event from this interface. Now in this pop-up, you will have this pencil icon that says edit event. Click on it. Now you could change your color. Click on this drop down next to the color here that says select event color. So from this color available, select your preferred color. I want to change it to this color right here. Once you have selected your default or your preferred color, click on the save button from the top. And there you go, now the color to this event has been changed. That's it. That's how you can change the event color on Google Calendar. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.